Realtor Chris, I need a house now. Say less. I've been waiting for this call. How soon can you be there, Jebediah? ASAP. Caw-caw! Biscuits and pie tar. This place is beautiful. But you know I need space for little Jeb and my horse's corn nut and haystack. Welcome to the Rambling Ranch. This one right here sits at just under half an acre and is zoned as an equestrian property. Perfect for your horses and has plenty of space for your RV, boats, and all your toys. I like the way that sounds, but you know what Ophelia and I are expecting? How many bedrooms this one got? This one's perfect for you, Jeb. It's got 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and sits at just under 1,100 square feet. Plenty of space for you and the kids to grow into. You know Ophelia is all about the kitchen. Tell me something good. Have you seen these granite countertops and stainless steel hood? Ophelia is gonna be making the best shrimp and grits west of the Mississippi. Now how about the neighborhood? You know I gotta have the grocery stores close to me. Done. And done squared. I'm not trying to drive into the city to get my tools and supplies. We got anything nearby? Done. And done again, come on. What about the education? You know little Dusty's 17 years old. What's going on with schools around here? Done. Pine tar and mustache wax. This place has it all. Priced like this, the Rambling Ranch isn't gonna last long, so click the link below to learn more or give us a call to schedule a private showing. We'll see you at the ranch.